Research in common parlance refers to a search for knowledge. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. In fact, research is an art of scientific investigation. The Advanced Learner's Dictionary of Current English lays down the meaning of research as a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. 1. Redman and Mory define research as a systematized effort to gain new knowledge. 2. Some people consider research as a movement from the known to the unknown. It is actually a voyage of discovery. We all possess the vital instinct of inquisitiveness. 4. When the unknown confronts us, we wonder, and our inquisitiveness makes us probe and attain full and fuller understanding of the unknown. This inquisitiveness is the mother of all knowledge and the method which man employs for obtaining the knowledge of whatever the unknown can be termed as research. Research is an academic activity, and as such the term should be used in a technical sense. According to Clifford Woody, research comprises defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing, and evaluating data, making deductions, and reaching conclusions, and at last carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis. D. Schlesinger and M. Stevenson in the Encyclopedia of Social Sciences define research as the manipulation of things, concepts, or symbols for the purpose of generalizing to extend, correct, or verify knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in construction of theory or in the practice of an art. 3. Research is, thus, an original contribution to the existing stock of knowledge, making for its advancement. It is the pursuit of truth, with the help of study, observation, comparison, and experiment. In short, the search for knowledge through objective and systematic method of finding solution to a problem is research. The systematic approach concerning generalization and the formulation of a theory is also research. As such, the term research refers to the systematic method consisting of enunciating the problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the facts or data, analyzing the facts and reaching certain conclusions either in the form of solutions as towards the concerned problem or in certain generalizations for some theoretical formulation.